In a world where beauty follows rules, some looks are created to break them. Soft blonde brows, wide leopard lips, two bold statements, one unforgettable transformation. This is not your everyday makeup tutorial. This is creativity pushed beyond limits. Watch every detail come to life, from the softest blend to the final touch. Get ready for a look that is bold, artistic, and impossible to ignore. Welcome to the art of beauty with Ceebeauty. Beauty has never really been about playing safe. Sometimes it's about creating art so bold that people stop scrolling just to stare. Today we are transforming a simple makeup look into something wild, fearless, and unforgettable. The brows, stripped down with a soft blonde finish, create an almost unreal effect. Soft, yet powerful, minimal, yet impossible to ignore. Every stroke matters. Every blend changes the mood. The lips, the unstatement piece, inspired by the untamed elegancy of leopard print. Each detail is carefully placed to create texture, depth, and attitude. No two patterns are ever the same, and that's the beauty of it. This isn't just makeup, it's expression, it's confidence, it's creativity without limits. And when the final look comes together, it gives editorial, it gives runaway, it gives main character energy. So sit back, relax, and watch this transformation unfold. Welcome to another beauty experience with Vibe with Ceebeauty. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like my post. Thanks for watching.